Hello, treasures. How are you all doing? You can always enjoy your homemade juice even if you don't have a juicer. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make watermelon juice without a juicer and also without adding water to it. Let's get started. So, for this, I'll be using two big sized watermelon and ginger. I'll be adding ginger. Add the amount of quantity that you prefer or you want. You can also skip it. I've gone ahead to wash my watermelon. Next, I'll just dry it water, then cut and then peel the watermelon. Just let's prepare it. Keep watching.
I bring the melanin, cool and heavy in my hands. Cut it open slow, red and shining on the board.
I want to test the watermelon for you guys. Yummy, very, very sweet.
Sugar, ice, and lime. Now the summer starts to wake. Oh, the color glows in my quiet little space. Stir it gently, love. Let the sweetness find its place. Treasure kitchen, fresh and bright today. Watermelon juice, take the heat away. Treasure kitchen,
Next, we transfer the peeled watermelon into the blender. I'll blend this batch by batch. You can see that it's much, so it's not something that can go in at once. But if you have juicer, you add it to your juicer and juice. But today we're using blender, not juicer. So I'm just going to blend this. Watermelon contains a whole lot of water, so you don't need to add water to this. Just blend it. If it is not blending, you can shake your blender, or you use your blender spoon or spatula and push it inside. Blend until it starts blending.
oh, the color glows.
As it starts blending well, you can also add more of the fruit to the blender to fill your cup, but don't overfill your cup, the blender cup.
Find its place. Treasure kitchen, fresh and bright today. Watermelon juice, take the heat away. Treasure kitchen.
Another secret is when I'm pouring the blended juice into the sieve, because we are going to sieve it, I will not pour out the whole thing so that I will not need to stress my blender or myself. I'll remain that quantity, little quantity, so that I can use it to blend the remaining.
And if your day feels tired, come sit right.
And this is the method I will use to blend all the watermelon without adding water to it.
Little fruit and ice can make a small.
After blending, the next thing is to sieve it. I'm using my sieve to sieve this, but you can also use your chiffon cloth or milk bag to squeeze out the milk. It's even faster using your chiffon cloth or milk bag. And if you don't want to sieve it, you can also drink it like that, but I want a kind of a lighter juice, so I have to sieve it. And using sieve, I still have some fiber. For those that will say you've removed the fiber, I still have some fiber, because this sieve is not that small, it's not that tiny one. It still has some holes in it, so don't worry about that. After juicing this, the next thing we're going to do is to bottle it. I have my bottles here which I normally use, so I'm going to bottle this. behind camera. And here we have our watermelon juice made with our blender, not juicer. I have the ones I also made with juicer. You can also check those ones out. Yes, and here we have it. Very sweet, very yummy, very delicious, and very enjoyable. So you can store this in your refrigerator for some days, or in the freezer. If you store it in your freezer, it can last up to a month. Yes. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.